I got a video on how to throw a cast net. First, you put the loop on your wrist, then you take off all the rope. Then you grab it about there. This is a drawstring, it's the same on the normal. Then you get it about hip height. This is the over the shoulder cast. Then you try to straighten out your net. Grab half. Put your shoulder, put your elbow like into the net. Then turn it sideways. Then on the inside layer of sinkers facing yourself, gather rope up a bit. Gather some of the rope up if there's like a big ball where my foot is, and then just go. Now I'm gonna do one where you don't get wet. Run again, grab it out there. Take it up to about hip height. Then you spread it out a bit. Then you grab about half again. Then you like flip it up and over into your hand. Then the layer the layer of the sinkers that goes up into the ball, into that like ball of sinkers, grab that and then stretch it right out. Then you just you have to flick your hands around like this. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, comment. Hope this helped you.